Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Sharon. I hope you subscribe. You are so welcome to my channel. So I recently bought something online on Jumia. It's a sewing machine, a mini sewing machine. So I just want to unbox it with you guys. Hope you enjoy watching. So this is how it came when you buy something on Jumia. They pack it like this. I'm gonna use my scissors to cut it. We have it cut already. So we have to open this again and just cut it. This is the box. This is the mini sewing machine. It's just like a regular sewing machine, but the difference is that it's tiny. So let's open it up and see how it looks like. This is it. You can see how it is. This is it. It comes with the instructions on how to use it. They packed it so well so it can't break on the way. And this is the machine. This is how the machine looks like. Is there any other thing in the box? Oh. So these are the bobbins. So here we have the bobbin and some needles. You can see guys, it's just like a regular normal machine, just that it's a bit tiny. It doesn't even weigh up to 1 kg, like it's so light. That means that it's portable, like you can carry it anywhere. If you want to travel with it, you can just go with it. It has a battery slot at the bottom, as you can see. That means you can use the batteries. If you don't have electricity, you can just use the battery. You can buy batteries. It uses the size AA battery, the AA batteries. That's a bit cheap. It comes with these two things. This is an electric plug, and this is the foot pedal. Wow, the foot pedal looks so nice. You can see guys, it comes fixed already. Like it has the thread already. There's a bobbin here with a thread, and it has been fixed for you just the way you will. So you're just following this instruction. You don't have to read the instruction rules, but you can just follow this and know where the thread is going through. You can just see. And there is this thing here. I don't know what it's called, but you see when I push it up, it pulls the nini up. it pulls this cutting up, and when you push it down, this cutting also goes down. And it comes with a fabric which you can use for practicing how to sew. We have here the on and off button, and this is the left and right. I don't know, but we will just know it as we continue using it. And here we also have this here. You just push it. You can also put here a thread if you don't want to use this. You can use this one. Hope you understand. We also have this. So we have this tiny spot here where the bobbin goes. You can see another bobbin here. And it comes with some more bobbins. You can see it comes with some more bobbins and two. How many? Is it two? No, it's just one. It comes with one extra pin and some 4 more bobbins. And this hook here, I think it's for entering the thread into the needle. Yeah. Just going to plug it in the electricity and see how it works. I've just plugged the electricity. So this is the foot pedal, I don't know if you step on this. It makes a lot of noise. You can hear it. So it's working, guys. It's working. Let's see how it works. Guys, it works. You can see I just sewed here the second line. Oh, it works. So guys, I'm just going to try to make something, and then I'll show you in the next video how good it works. I'm just gonna try it for the first time, and I hope it works well. I'll show you guys, but I've tried here and it has worked. I'm just so happy that at least I got something to use, something to practice during the quarantine season. So guys, hope you enjoyed watching the video. This sewing machine was very cheap. I only bought it for 2,200 Kenya shillings, which is $22. That's only $22. It's so cheap, guys. If you want to practice sewing, you can just check on Jumia and you'll find this sewing machine. It's called a mini sewing machine. Just go and check it and you will get it. So guys, hope you enjoyed watching the video. I did a small review about this sewing machine. Hope you enjoyed watching. Remember to wash your hands and stay safe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and let's meet on my next video. Bye.